Friends, welcome to the Money Breeder. In this video, I'm going to show you the perfect market entry after the first candle. That means in the beginning of the market. Okay, before going into the video, this is the standard disclaimer. Please be mindful of it. Okay, coming to the topic, what you have to do is, let's say you noticed that first candle is the red candle like this. Okay, this is not having any wicks or anything. In the upside, there could be some wick. Okay, it's not a problem. We can have the wick in the upside. This is one candle. The second type of candle is this is the second type of candle. The third type of candle is this is the third type of candle. Okay, the first candle, which is red candle, red candle, red candle. Okay, this is the red candle, maybe gap down. Yesterday, this was the yesterday's candle. Okay, here like this. Here, this was the yesterday's candle like this. Okay, here yesterday candle is like this. Overlapped with the yesterday candle, overlapped with the yesterday candle, or gap down. Okay, if you see this kind of three candle in the beginning of the market, first candle, okay, what you have to do is you have to wait for the second candle. You have to wait for the second candle to retrace like this. Okay, that means the 920 candle. Okay, this is the 915 candle. The first candle is 915 candle is fully red. Okay, first 1 minute or first 30 seconds, it will retrace, bounce back till this point, then immediately start falling. The moment you see the candle like this, okay, blindly you can initiate the trade. Don't wait for the completion of this thing. Okay, whatever the stock you selected in the watch list, if you see the red candle like this, okay, 915 candle completed, then immediately next candle retraces back very little. Okay, in this candle, right, total this candle 1 by 3. Okay, one third of the candle it retraces, then start falling. That means you will see the candle like this, next candle the shooting star. Okay, this is the perfect entry which will give you, okay, which will give you the very good returns. Okay, taking to the real time market. Okay, this is my watch list stock. These are two my watch list stocks today. I added to the watch list. I told you, right? Okay, let me remove all these things. This was the yesterday's price action. Yesterday's price action. Okay, yesterday opened here. Let me analyze the yesterday opened here. Okay, the sellers added. Yesterday it was the went up. It failed to go up. Sellers added and it is trying to fall down. Okay, if you see in the daily time frame, it formed the shooting star. This is the criteria, right? It had a good run up, then it formed the shooting star. Okay, it formed the shooting star. So this is the candidate I selected for the day trading, waiting for the entry. So let me run the show. Okay, the first candle I am playing replay. Just this is what I did. Okay, that is the first candle. 1 second. So I put this. Mm, leave this. Okay, once again I'm playing very slowly. Continue. Let me leave this. Okay, start new. This was the yesterday's price action because this formed the shooting star, right? It went up and failed to close the wherever the previous day, the same day low. It reached to the same point. That means it is the shooting star. Okay, this shooting star formed. So this is the candidate. The trend is getting weak actually. So the trend is getting weak. This is the candidate, reversal candidate for me for the today's selection. So what I did, I selected this. Okay, I waited to finish the first candle. See, this was the first candle, 9:15 candle. What happened? As I mentioned, right? This is the retracement it comes. This is the retracement it comes. Then the moment which is, you know, going there, initiate the trade. What is this? 920. Let me, after that, what happened? You see till this previous low wherever it is. Okay, here your target is here or your target is here. Okay, you can trail the stop loss to till this point. You remember guys, always it is like, previous low here also. This is the previous low. Okay, it retraces back, then it continues the trend. So I don't want to, wait this much time. This is the low, right? Just capture this trend. Okay, this is how it should be. The capture this trend. Okay, many stocks you go whatever the traded in the red, right? Let me go to the F&O stocks. Okay, let me select the Bajaj Finance. Here I am canceling this replay. Leave this. This is not my peak. It is not given. I always trade like this. No. Okay, this is where this has given. Okay, this has given the retracement, but stop loss. This is see, if this breaks this, you can enter. Okay, this is the first candle. The second candle is just a retracement till this point. Okay, immediately if this falls immediately within few seconds, this is where the entry. Then 1:2 risk reward, 1:2. See, this was the case. This was the case. Okay, you might have entered took the stop loss, then it fallen. Okay, the stop loss will be very less. Okay, here you took just 1 rupee is the stop loss. Let it be hit the stop loss. Okay, the slab. We have to wait for the confirmation. The slab, there is no opportunity. Okay, this is what trade. Here the stop loss 1:2. You will get it. Okay, so how to recognize this in the watch list? In the watch list, right? What is this percentage? Okay, this percentage is 0.5 percentage. The first candle 0.5 percentage. All the things. Okay, whatever you see, this is the 1 percentage negative. Okay, if you see the candidates which are 0.5 percentage negative, right? In the watch list, you will see here. Okay, after the 20 minutes 9:20 candle over, whichever the stock trading in the negative or positive with 0.5 percentage, 0.5 percentage to 1 percentage, that is the right candidate which will have the this behavior, and that is intent to fall continuously. Okay, since I always select the watch list. Okay, this was my watch list. I captured this today nicely. Let me show you the timestamp where I entered 9:23. I mentioned, right, the moment. Okay, first I thought of taking the Sairma today. My entry is not triggered. Okay, it went to the 9, even 793 also. That time I didn't notice it. Later point of time, I realized that this went up by 10 percentage. I left for the day actually. 9:22 first candidate. This was the buy side. I wanted to take the entry, then start the trading. That is where it delayed. Okay, the Sri Ram Finance, right? I took it. Okay, 21.15. Okay, 18.75. 21.15, 3 rupees, right? Almost 2.5 rupees. Okay, this is 9:36, 9:23, 9:36. What is the 9:36 candle? This was the 9:35. This is where, after seeing this wick, right, in the downside wick, this was the downside wick. Okay, this is the candle. I exited. Okay, this is the perfect entry. 90% of the time, if you select the watch list, which forms the first candle, either three of the candles I showed in the previous slide. Okay, those are the one. See the falling stock within 2 minutes, right? Within 2 minutes, which is going to break the first candle low within few minutes only. Okay, it retraces back, it breaks. Okay, immediately the moment it breaks, here is the entry, here is the stop loss. How much? 1 rupee only. In the options, half rupee or half rupee or 1 rupee maximum in the options. That's all. Okay, just take the entry and keep 1 rupee and trade for the 3 rupees. Okay, that's what I traded. Okay, let me show you. Sri Ram Finance, I made the 19,000 rupees. One trade. Okay, today only one trade I traded. These are the overnight positions. I made some adjustment. Cipla, already in couple of videos I mentioned Cipla is I wanted to take the uh, uh, Cipla entry for the covered call actually. Okay, that's all friends in this video. Okay, this is the perfect entry. This is the perfect entry with very less stop loss. Even if you keep the stop loss as a day high, which is 0.5 percentage, that means 2 to 3 points only, right? In the options, 0.5 percentage. Okay, 2 point here 2 rupees 45 paisa, right? The change is 2 rupees 45 paisa. In 2 rupees 45 paisa, options price will be 1 rupee, because we trade at the money, right? Zero at the money, delta is 0.5 percentage. That means, okay, off of the 0.5 means what? Off, right? Whatever it moves in the option price, it is going to move off only. Okay, this is how the perfect entry for the beginning of the trade. For the reversal, many times I showed the reversal. Today is the expiry day. I don't want to go with the reversal. And also, the logic behind Seram Finance. The results was for Seram Finance. The results was very good. Okay, it ran up highly. The Bajaj Finance results was very bad because of the very bad results, right? Okay, definitely that impact will be there in the beginning of the market. That is where tomorrow also definitely this may give the correction. That's what I am expecting. Remember, okay, whenever the steep recovery is there, stock never U-shaped recovery never sustains. It has to give the pullback and form the cup and handle, then only it works. Okay, tomorrow also there could be some retracement or fall. Okay, I see here the distribution is going to happen in this Serum Finance. We'll see. If it breaks, okay, anyway it is trading at the all-time high rate. We can trade in the positive direction only if this breaks. Okay, such a big run, right? Pause candle is expected. That's what in last 2 days the pause candle, right? Okay, it is trading between the 810 or 800 to 830. Okay, even if we make 800 put option sell, okay, and 840 or 830 call option sell and make the iron condor, definitely it will work and give you 5,000 to 6,000 rupees for investing 40,000 rupees investment. Okay, this is going to trade in the range bound. If your view goes wrong, okay, you may have to add some adjustment techniques and come out of the trade, or give some loss you define and come out of the trade. Okay, that's all, friends. This is how the first candle entry I most of the time I trade. Okay, the same thing I would like to give you. Okay, thank you so much for the watching this video. Thank you.